Hello everyone, welcome to Geeky Odyssey. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do more complex stuff with NanoBind. So some of you might not feel that this is a really nice file. In that case, I'm going to create a code.cpp to actually write the code in here. And that's quite easy. So you can have a class, you can have a function and everything. And I'm gonna go through them all. So for the functions, it's pretty easy. Let's do int, the function multiplier that we had earlier, do int a and int e, then try to return a and b. So this is the normal C++ code that you write. Hopefully it's correct and I don't have bugs. And then you can import the stuff in here. So let's do include and code.cpp. After doing that, you can replace this, or even you can replace I don't know how much of it. Yeah, let's go to the documentation again. So in the documentation, it says you can have classes and stuff, but do your class, then the function. So instead of this, I'm gonna do this thing and calling the multiplier as in here. The other stuff are optional, but sometimes you really need to use them. But in this case, I can completely ignore them. Whereas I already have them, and I'm going to show you a couple of ways to do so. So we've got the multiplier. Actually, let me copy this and go back in time. Do a couple of multipliers. So this is called multiplier 2. Let's call the other one normal multiplier. I'm changing this file and it's not gonna get commit, but whatever. So multiplier 2, we're gonna do this. We're gonna install, one more thing. I'm gonna replace these with star because I don't want to come here all the time and do the goddamn update or that file, because I'm gonna forget it and I'm gonna need a ton of time to figure that out. So it worked. Let's run the file. We've got the 2 and 3. We can have now, was it 2? Yep, what was 2? We can have 2, which actually works. Oh, there's a really good package for printing using Python. So let's use that. Python print alter this. Let me pause it and find the package. Okay, finally, after deep search and finding nothing on the Google, I came across this video of this guy. Thank you, Arjan Codes, and it's called Icecream or Icy. This is a really cool package. So if you do this, you get food. If you have to do this and this, you get everything. But the ice cream makes it like ice cream. Sweet and nice. So pip install Icecream. And then we can come here, import Icecream as IC. Was it IC? Yep. And if you do, instead of print, you can do IC everything. And now if you run the code, you get a problem. So in 4 we have a problem. Gosh, what have I done? Okay, let's see if it passes 4. So it says 3, 2. Okay, maybe the IC cannot actually Okay, it tries to go inside and mimic. Okay, let me show you how it works. So committing these. So let's say I see between like 2 plus 3, and it says the IC is not working. Like, what's wrong? Okay, yeah. It's me being dumb and rushing things. So it says 2 plus 3 is 5, and in our case, it says NanoBind example Mul2, 1 and 2 is 2, which is super cool when you wanna like show something or debug these. So it's Icecream. I hope I never forgot it, but I always do. So let's continue with our journey. So we came here, called the code from this. We actually used even a different name, and we were good. The problem usually... Sorry, the video is still at the background. The problem usually is you have no idea about this. There's a package called NanoBind StopGen. So this is called NanoBind StopGen. I'm not sure if the NanoBind itself has it or not, but the NanoBind StopGen is a good thing. Let's start git install NanoBind. NanoBind StopGen, and you can do NanoBind StopGen with the name of the here NanoBind exam. After doing that, you kinda get some stuff, which they come from this file as like, I can say like A1. I have to like rebuild it because it has no understanding of these files. It only understands the final package. So let's redo this. Okay, go ahead. Let's come over here. You have to make sure to redo that too. Now we can run the we don't need to run the project because of here. So it's A1 goes here. There are other ways to code this. So if I'm not mistaken, I love another way of doing that, which is like this. So instead of saying like this weird signature, I can say it has an argument A and it has an argument B. Oh my god, doesn't work. Let's do this, and also let's do NanoBind StopGen, NanoBind underline example. Yeah, because I wanted to just run this and be done with it. Hopefully our project doesn't grow that big, so they cannot support it. So that's done successfully, this is done successfully, and if I come here, I got the Mul2. The Mul2 is A1 and A2, which is incorrect because I have two Mul2. That's some of me. And let's do it again. Come over here. Let's wait for it to finish. Yeah, that's a problem. This is the Mul2, and the Mul-T is good. Mul2 has the A1, Mul-T has the A and B, Mul2 A1, Mul3 A and B. So these are two ways that you can do this. You can also have classes. So for you to have a class, you can do something like this, but let's go to the class section. You probably need to read like most of this documentation just cause it's complex, but you can have a class like this. So if we calm down, paste this thing here. This is called a class pet. Let's just make a class like class code. Why not? Oh, actually, let's make it something nicer. So let's put our name here. Let's just place the Geeky Odyssey here, and let's put some, I guess, methods. I can put the add here, but I don't wanna. Yeah, I can have a print. So let's call it a void. Can I do strings? I'm not sure. And I'm not gonna go that way. So let's do an int. Call it print. I'm not sure if print is a good idea, but that's fine. Let's return -1. It's a weird print. So now we can come here, use our Geeky Odyssey here as a Geeky Odyssey. So the M comes from up there, yeah, and we're gonna have different things in here. So the construction in our case doesn't use anything, so we should be able to remove this. Also, we don't have a variable, which we can have, but for now we don't. Let me actually put this down here. But we can have something like this. It doesn't have any arguments so far, and it's like Geeky Odyssey, if I'm not mistaken, double column. Yeah, it was up there, and the name of the function, which was print. So let's actually put the print here. If I compile this thing, the nice thing is the original creator of the Python language, as far as I know, tried to create Python so he doesn't have to compile the code, but now we're doing it twice as much. So there is a problem in here, which I'm not truly sure what is. So the print wasn't happy, and I'm not sure why. Okay, because we have one here, and this is probably good too. So let's start over. So he created Python not to compile these, and we're doing that like over and over. Notes. Okay, yeah, these are private. So let's do it like public. Okay, I'm switching so many languages, and I have no idea what's going on anymore. Like they do a ton of stuff in a different way. Okay, something else. So after classic rating, do we really? I'm not sure, but let's check. Yeah, weird C. Okay, so it worked, and we can actually call IC to find this class, which was Geeky Odyssey. So let's do NanoBind .geeky Odyssey .print. Usually it doesn't know that the print exists, but my AI did. So if I even go here, no, it actually knows the print exists, and it even knows that it returns an int. So come on up. Oh, it was trying to go up actually. Actually, you know what? Let me have multiple stuff. So exit this thing. Python NanoBind underline pi. So it's printing -1. Okay, next let's go to strings. I believe strings are not bad. So it's called std string. So instead of returning -1, I can do std string, and probably I either need this thing. Well, let's do that. I'm not sure the normal string works. In my project, I use the normal one, but probably using this is way better. So let's do PK other side. Yeah, let's recompile this thing. So the good thing is we don't have anything in here that resembles a type or anything, but on the other side we don't get that either. So it now actually returns PK other side. You might be able to do like std normal string, which C++. Okay, let's do that AI. Let's see here. So C++ string header. Give me the C++ string header. C++ provide the string header for this version. This includes. God. So what is the string header? Okay, come on. What is the C++ string header include? Why the AI doesn't work? Okay, include string. Sure. You probably can do this with that thing. No, you have to recompile it first because that's C++ code and like doubly packaged and shit. But okay, so it's not happy. Yeah, it does. It's not happy. So it says function is not a valid Python call. So it doesn't like it because the char star and everything. I was able to bypass this by importing these in this file. So let's see if that works. It might not be a good idea. You might get memory leaks and shit, but it worked for me. And if you don't want to like change your original code, that helps. So let's go here. Let's go do this. It works and it's really good. So okay, I have to pause the video. Sorry, because I was recording without my audio jack being plugged in. I'm not sure how the video quality is, but let's wrap it up in here. I'm gonna do an overview to hopefully fix the issues. So sorry and see you.